Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Terabox not working issue in Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and follow each step carefully for the best results.